We're gonna run a system check, a general scan. So it's gonna look something like this. Once you plug in your equipment, it's gonna take between a minute and a half to run the fault diagnostics. And you can see already you have the fault number there. You can also see a description on the fault. And also you got freeze frame data. That means you're able to see when the fault happened and the timing. You have troubleshooting by symptoms too available. So let's say you're having issues that the engine stalls spontaneously. You can come here and you'll have the step-by-step instruction just like we did on the faults. You can run system checks like the engine brakes, compression test, cylinder. So there's all that. You can do maintenance options on the engine. So this is where you find the regen on the engine, and also you have more options on as far as maintenance. You can do a startup counter reset too. Let's see the regen. Gives you an explanation of what's gonna happen and the initial conditions on the equipment that you need to have. Here's an overview on the values, and here you're getting the more information on how the exhaust after treatment system looks with the temperature changes and just everything during the maintenance. So here you can see more on each value, and here you have the final results. It's gonna show on the final report at the end of the diagnostics. So you do have also maintenance data on this equipment. Here you have the long intervals. Let's see, 1800 hours, what to do on the hydraulics, what to do on the transmission, how to check the engine, what type of maintenance you have to do on it. Here you have the vehicle data. So it gives you an overview on the different systems. It tells you the capacities, the type of oil, how every system works on this equipment. So here you have like a manual basically in hand. Here you can actuate components. So you have the cylinder cutout, engine speed, all of these you can turn on, turn off. Here you have the final report you get at the end of any diagnostics. So like I mentioned, here you have all the details on what you did. And you can add comments, even pricing if you're in service.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.